How to change a failed disk in a ZFS spool. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna open up an SSH connection to your system. Here I already connected to mine, so you're gonna do a zpool status. This is just gonna give us a status of our current pool. I purposely disconnected the drive so we can cause it to go into degraded state. But let's pretend that this unavailable drive is the drive that failed. First thing we do is we're gonna have to offline the drive. You can do that by doing zpool offline, and then you have to specify the name of the pool, which in mine is tank, and then you can just go ahead and copy the name here. If this doesn't work for you, you're gonna go ahead and use the disk by ID. I'm just gonna do it like this. Now if you do zpool status again, you're gonna see that now it's in offline state. Now in this part is where you shut down your server or your system, take out the failed drive, put in the new one. I already did that, so this is gonna be, if you do an lsblk, you enter, it's gonna give you a list of all your hard drive. So the one that is not used right now in my system is the SDC. So that's the one that we're gonna replace, use for the replacement. So we always want to use IDs for this. So you're gonna do an ls-l/dev disk by ID. Now you enter, it's gonna give you a list of all your hard drives. The ones that we're interested in is the one with the SDC, which is this one right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and copy this from here, because that's the SDC. Make sure you select the one that you're using to replace. Now what you're gonna do is gonna be, you can do up arrow. The command to replace the drive is gonna be the same as, almost the same. So you're gonna do zpool replace. Then you have to do the pool, which mine is tank. This is the drive that we're replacing. So this is the same, the failed drive. And then you're gonna do /dev disk by ID. Here you're just gonna copy and paste what's up here, which is like what mine was, the SDC, and then enter. Now if you do a zpool status again, you see now it's online. This one received it in seconds because it doesn't have any data. It was just a sample, but basically that's how you change a failed disk in ZFS.